Why do 70% of homeowners love retro fridges? Because they add a splash of style to any kitchen. Here are 3 budget-friendly alternatives to Smeg fridges. First, the Frigidaire Retro Bar Fridge with a handy side bottle opener. Perfect for those Arvo drinks with mates. Next, the Galanz Retro Top-Freezer Refrigerator. It has the looks and space for all your essentials. Finally, the Galanz Retro Refrigerator with dual doors. Double the doors, double the charm. These beauties look smashing and keep your wallet happy. Want more tips on cool home finds? Hit that like button and subscribe for more.